Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up and download a new software. When downloading a new application to a unit, no matter if it is for yourself or to prepare a vehicle file for a service user to do the update, you have to go through the same steps. In this demonstration, I will use the vehicle file I created in the video how to create a vehicle. And here we have our two nodes already created. We can start by opening the download software. We see our nodes here, and if we press the refresh list, the program will send a request to find out what software currently is on the node. And here we can see that we actually are up to date. We have the same version in our vehicle file as on the nodes. There is no need to update, and the program has not suggested any node to perform an update. As we can see here, checkboxes are blank. So let us select some new software to upgrade to. Firstly, you need to disconnect from the canvas. Then we edit the nodes we want to change EPFs on. In this node, we have version 4. But let us select a new one. In this folder, I have two EPFs. Both are compatible with this node. This is best controlled by comparing all letters and digits, except for the last two. We can see here from 69N all the way to V91 that it is the same. But now I want to select the version 5. Press OK. Then I edit the second node. We also have version 4 on this one. And here I have my EPFs for this node. Here is the one loaded now. And I have another one here, but this one is slightly different. Instead of S91, we have a U91. This means it is different, and it will probably change the application. So in these cases, you need to be certain that this is correct. But I know this one is safe. It will change the usage for this node, and it might require some parameter changes, but it's compatible, so let's select this one. But now our nodes are set up with the new software. So let us go back to the software download. We refresh the list again. We can now see that the software version on the nodes is different from what's in the file, as expected. On the left, the program has pre-selected the node that has a valid and safe update. If this was the only one we would have liked to update, we would continue by pressing download. But I want to update the second one too. The text here is red to warn us that this EPF will change the application as I mentioned, but I will check this. Once you are at this step, this is also the same view as a service user would see. At this point, we don't decide which unit gets which software. This makes sure the intended unit can only be updated with the intended software and nothing else. But okay, all set. Let's press download. ServiceTool will perform the download for all nodes selected, one at a time. We can see the second one in queue here. Any errors during this download will be displayed here. Okay, once complete, we get a message to reboot the vehicle. As we can see here, we have no response from any nodes, and they will remain so until the vehicle has rebooted. Some vehicles might need a key off, key on for the update to be complete. Some units might require parameter changes, or that other units need a new software before a reboot is performed. Make sure you know what to do in your case. In my case, this reboot is enough. Here we see the icons changing as we are getting connection back. We can also see here in our log window that I'm getting some error messages and both nodes has tripped. This is highly individual from vehicle to vehicle and depending on the update, but this is expected for my setup because the application changed. Some parameters need to be changed and tuned to match my new software. But beside that, the download is complete. If a software update requires new values to parameters, I recommend using the upload and download configuration parameters. This is an easy way to copy and paste selected parameters from one vehicle to another. To learn more of this, please watch the video How to Copy and Paste a Vehicle. That is all on how to set up and download a new software. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions, want to purchase our products, or have any feature requests.